Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the layer so you never alter the original. Once duplicated, zoom to the region you want and use a rectangular or elliptical selection tool to isolate it. Make sure your selection feather is low if you want a sharp edge or higher for a softer blend. You do this now because clear isolation ensures the magnified patch will align and match tonal values when scaled and blended back into the canvas. Once copied to a new layer, use the transform or scale command to enlarge the patch. Hold Shift for proportional resizing or type a precise percent such as 150%. Make sure to resample using bicubic for smoother results. After scaling, compare texture and sharpness. Apply light sharpening if the patch looks soft, or a subtle Gaussian blur if it appears too crisp relative to the background. Doing these adjustments now helps the enlarged area sit naturally in the image. Place the scaled patch where it should appear and add a layer mask to control visibility. Use a soft brush at low opacity to gently reveal the magnified area. This creates a subtle transition. Once done, make final color and tonal adjustments using hue/saturation or curves so the patch matches surrounding pixels. If edges still show, reduce mask hardness or nudge the layer slightly. If things go wrong, undo the mask strokes and lower brush opacity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.